My name is Mary Poole. I'm the Assistant Manager of Visitor Experiences here at the Nasher, and this is Homecoming by Hugh Hayden, a Dallas native. Hayden makes sculptures that reflect everyday objects and places with complex themes of community, nostalgia, childhood, and home. Hayden works mainly with wood, metal, and sound to create objects that are at once inviting and disquieting. He pushes the viewer to question the safety and comfort of places like home, school, and church. Visitors will instantly recognize the familiarity of playground equipment and a dining table, but be unable to satisfactorily interact with them because Hayden uses material to create spikes, pencils, branches, and brushes to keep touch at bay. These barriers to entry allow the viewer space and time to contemplate the complex and often fraught history of these spaces. Through Homecoming, Nasher guests are reminded that everyday spaces and places have untold and complicated histories worth investigating.